Welcome back to my channel. Everyone tells you to apply oils, but why do your hair follicles still stay asleep? Today, we're unlocking a secret routine that wakes up dormant follicles, boosts keratin production, and grows hair 5x faster, inside and out. No chemicals, no false promises, just science and results. The truth about hair growth blockage. Hair doesn't stop growing just because of weak roots. It stops because the follicles get clogged, inflamed, and go into sleep mode. Chemical shampoos, stress, DHT buildup, and nutrient deficiency all play a role. But the real solution? You need to detox the scalp, feed the follicles topically, nourish the roots from inside. DIY serum that wakes up dormant follicles. Let's make a scientifically smart serum that not only unclogs follicles, but sends a signal to your scalp to regrow stronger hair. Ingredients and why they work. Nutmeg, Jaifal, boosts microcirculation, reactivates follicles. Amla, Indian gooseberry, highest natural vitamin C source, right pointing arrow triggers collagen. Fenugreek seeds, rich in lecithin and nicotinic acid, rebuilds damaged hair. Fermented rice water, rich in inositol, repairs damaged hair, strengthens roots, promotes faster growth. Rosemary water, natural DHT blocker, increases scalp blood flow. Aloe vera gel, scalp cell repair plus hydrates hair shafts. Vitamin E oil, protects hair follicles from oxidative stress. Onion juice, rich in sulfur, strengthens strands plus reduces breakage. How to make. Boil 1 cup water with 1 teaspoon crushed nutmeg, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon dried amla pieces. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. Strain and cool. Add 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon onion juice, 1/2 cup fermented rice water, 1 vitamin E capsule oil. Shake well and store in spray bottle. Use. Spray daily at night, massage gently, leave overnight. Homemade biotin plus natural minoxidil powder. External care is 50%. The other 50% is what you feed your roots. This is a scientific powerhouse powder loaded with biotin, protein, zinc, omega-3s, and natural compounds that mimic the effects of minoxidil, without side effects. Ingredients and benefits. Melon seeds, biotin plus zinc. Sunflower seeds, vitamin E. Pumpkin seeds, zinc plus omega-3. Black sesame, calcium, biotin, and B vitamins. Flax seeds, lignans plus omega-3s. Soybeans or peanuts, protein plus keratin boosters. Moringa powder, natural minoxidil action, alkaloids that stimulate anagen phase. Ashwagandha, balances stress hormones that cause hair fall. How to prepare. Roast all seeds lightly, 1 tablespoon each, cool and grind to fine powder. Mix in 1 tablespoon moringa powder plus 1 teaspoon ashwagandha. Store in airtight jar. How to use. Take 1 tablespoon daily with warm water or milk. Best time, empty stomach, morning or before bed. Bonus tip. Nighttime follicle stimulation. Want faster results? Combine the 2 steps every night. Spray the serum. Massage gently, 2 to 3 minutes. Inversion method optional. Take 1 spoon of powder with warm milk. Sleep on a silk pillowcase to reduce friction and breakage. What to expect and when. In the first 7 to 10 days, your scalp feels active. Tingling means circulation is improving. By week 3, baby hair may appear. In 30 days, most users see thicker roots and stronger strands. But the real magic happens with consistency. Give your hair what it's been starving for. You don't need expensive treatments. You just need the right science with natural power. Try this inside plus outside routine for 30 days, and let your hair tell the world your story. Subscribe for more science-backed beauty secrets. Thank you for watching.